I want to show you proper grip on a revolver. It's very important that you don't cover the cylinder gap with your hand. I'm shooting a Ruger LCR. This is a 357 Magnum. You see a lot of people that want to hold the gun like this or like this to support it. You want to keep your hands back here. You never want to cover up this gap. A lot of gas is going to come out of that. I'm going to use a paper target to show that to you. And this is the proper grip with the revolver. Don't cover this gap. Keep your hands out of the way. You can see I'm not going to shoot the paper, I'm just holding the paper next to that gap. You wouldn't want to have your hand there.